If you want to make your garden bigger, this is probably the easiest way to do it. First, lay down garden fabric and stake it into the ground. Out of any mulches, I highly recommend getting cedar mulch. It lasts longer than most mulches. It doesn't have chemicals in it. It's all natural. It holds in more moisture for your garden bed, and it keeps away pests. For your first year of mulching, I recommend doing about 3 to 5 inches thick of the mulch. This will last you about 3 years versus other mulches that only last a year. And then after 3 years, you'll just do a light 1-inch mulch on top. The reason I had to make my garden bed so big is because of the maple trees. Any water that reaches the first few inches of ground, the tree will suck up. By having the cedar mulch, it helps retain moisture above the soil, which then can help feed your plants. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed.